Have you ever wondered how birds cope with the heat and stay hydrated? And not everyone's going to get a watermelon like the seagull, and that's a rare occurrence, I would say. We're going to see how birds cope in the heat in California and Texas. They really have a choice. They can stay up in the shade where it's safe, come out in the open and get a drink. Or for the very brave, take a bath. Yes, that looks very refreshing. This white-crowned sparrow has been quite resourceful in finding this dripping pipe, getting a nice refreshing drink. Here we have a long-billed thrasher, panting from the excessive heat, but he's quite skittish, not quite ready to come down. We'll check back later. These northern bobwhites seem to be doing okay, perhaps strength in numbers. One keeping a lookout, well, kind of in between eating, while the other one takes a drink. This male Northern Cardinal is staying in the shade, but they tend to be a little bit braver, so I think he might pop down pretty soon. Yep, long-billed thrasher hasn't plucked up courage yet, still up there. And to make matters worse, now he's being hassled. Oh dear. Now we're getting some action. Here's one coming down for a drink. It won't be long, as we can see, before others start to get a little bit braver. If you're really tiny, like these paper wasps, you don't really have too much to worry about. This painted bunting is thinking about it. Maybe he'll come down soon. Well, this is good news. A long-billed thrasher has finally come down for a drink, albeit along the fringes of the pond. Ah yes, the bunting is getting braver by the minute. And the bunting is also getting a drink. And we have a dragonfly hanging around. That's a nice looking damselfly. So a green jay. He was up in the tree earlier. He's finally down. And the long-billed thrasher must be feeling brave with all the other birds around, out in the open, having a nice cool bath. Although he's still keeping his eye open just in case. And here's the painted bunting again, this time right down on the ground, or on the edge of the pond I should say. all getting brave now.